Today I'm making muga gati.
Okay.
This is a sprouted mung. Essentially, I had to sprout the mungs ahead of time
Okay.
in order to make this. So it's just an overnight and soaking to get the
Sprouts. हाँ ये sprout है, मूंग के sprouts है. Okay.
And the first thing that I did
Uh-huh.
before I show you how to make this is essentially boiling the mung.
Okay.
And a little different about this mung, the way I boiled it is essentially, take a little bit of salt, take a little bit of haldi, and boil it.
Mm-hmm.
But if you see in this mung, what's different is most of the green skin of the sprouts has been removed.
तो बेसिकली गर्म पानी में सॉल्ट एंड हल्दी डाल के इसको बॉईल करना है, तो उसके पूरे छिलके निकल गए. इट्स विदाउट द स्किन.
And although people think it's a little unhealthy, but this dish is traditionally made without the skin. There are people who still use some of the skin, but it's traditionally made without.
सो आप फिर
Sure.
व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप रीना, क्या करेंगे?
So essentially what you have to do is dry roast certain spices. So if
Uh-huh.
you see over here, it's full
Dhania.
dhania and then red chili dry, a little bit of fenugreek,
Methi seeds.
cinnamon and peppercorns.
ओके.
So you take all of that and if you see I have already dry roasted it. To start with in the mixing you put...
कैन यू शो योर रीना?
Sure.
विल गेट इट हियर.
Yes. So you take your dry roasted masala, you put
Okay.
it in the mixie.
Mhm.
And then I had also soaked tamarind, maybe 2 hours ahead of time. If you soak it, squeeze
Okay.
all the juice and keep it ready.
हाँ.
And then you add it to the mixie.
ओके. टैमरिन पल्प है, ये डाला है. हेलो ज्योति जी, मीनाज जी, संध्या जी, वेलकम. आप जहाँ बताए कहाँ से देख रहे हो, और ये क्या है रीना?
And
व्हाट
this
इज
is dry coconut.
Okay, grated coconut.
You can take fresh coconut, frozen coconut, however you like.
हाँ हाँ.
And then you add it to the mixie.
ओके.
Along with that, you add a little bit of water and
Uh-huh.
haldi. So I'll take haldi.
इसमें हम हल्दी डालेंगे थोड़ा सा. एंड दिस इज फ्रेश कोकोनट, फ्रेशली ग्रेटेड कोकोनट.
And you can add a little bit of red chili powder as well to
Okay.
the mixer. And let me just take some
You want
water.
water?
Yeah.
ओके. यू कैन टेक, यू कैन सी.
Yeah, this is a little thing different that my mom has done in her kitchen. So it's gas the water right around where it's easily accessible. And then
Okay.
you add it to the mixer.
हाँ हाँ.
You want to make this a little thicker, so not too much water. And yeah, really quick on this.
सो हम इसका ग्रेवी बना के लेके आएंगे.
Yeah, I'm just going to...
This gravy is
So
done.
The gravy is done. As you can
Oh,
see, it's
wow.
a little bit coarse and
Uh-huh.
really a lovely, beautiful color.
ओके. तो थोड़ा कोर्स ही रखना है,
A
राइट?
little
रीना,
bit
इट्स
of
नॉट.
yes, not very thin.
Uh-huh, okay.
You want to make it a little thick because this curry is had with either puri or
Acha.
already put little oil and kept my it's heating and I'm just adding the curry to this.
तो हमने ऑलरेडी कढ़ाई में तेल रखा था और उसमें ये डायरेक्टली ये करी जाएगी. थैंक यू श्रद्धा आंटी, थैंक यू अंकिता जी. आप कहाँ से देख रहे हो, बताएं आपको कैसा लगता है हमारा जायका का तड़का. लाइक सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए और रेसिपी भी कैसी लगती है जरूर बताइए. ये दिस अ वेरी टिपिकल ऑफ अ गोवन डिश, ऑथेंटिक डिश. ओके, यू पुट
Taking
लिटिल
a
मोर
little
वाटर.
water just to get it,
Okay.
and it'll boil. So
Uh-huh.
you just add
ओके.
adequate enough. So
Uh-huh.
not too much as you see.
ओके.
And I'm just going to stir it a little. You want the masalas and everything to blend really nicely.
ओके.
I need a little bit more water on this. So
ओके, यू वांट टू टेक द वाटर?
yeah, I'm going to add a
This is
little
very
bit
cute,
more,
Reena.
little bit more water.
कैन बी समबडी इज आस्किंग मी, यूज आप यूज कर सकते हो, ड्राई कोकोनट भी यूज कर सकते हो अगर फ्रेश नहीं है, बट ऑफकोर्स फ्रेश की और भी अच्छी अरोमा और टेस्ट आ जाएगा. यस, श्वेता जी इज लुकिंग वेरी टेम्पटिंग. यस, एंड आई थिंक रीना इज
One of my favorites.
Oh, nice.
As I get, and then you just let this boil a little. And forget to mention like
Salt.
of course.
Okay.
As per taste.
हाँ हाँ.
And it's good to obviously taste all this at the end, and if you need
Yes.
to make any additions. The other thing that's kind of little bit different from other curries is cashews.
ओके.
Goan, as you know, in Goa, cashew, be just adding,
Cashews, huh?
like just crush it, smaller
Oh, just
size,
with the hand
bigger
you're doing?
size, yeah,
Achha.
and then just adding a few.
तो इसमें हमें भी कैश्यू डाल रहे हैं, बस रीना ने
Yeah.
हाथ से ही ऐसे क्रश कर दिया है कैश्यू को.
And some people like dry, nuts and, adding
Huh.
the nuts in the curry. Some people don't. This
तो
tastes
उसको भी-
part of the
अच्छा,
dish.
तो रीना बोले ट्रेडिशनली ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है डायरेक्टली उसमें डाल के.
So once this is boiled enough,
Okay.
you add the.
We'll add all the sprouts,
all the-
boiled sprouts, right?
The
Reena?
boiled
हाँ.
sprouts,
हाँ.
and let it cook a
Okay.
little bit. You have to let it cook and let it be a little thick. So maybe in a few minutes it'll take to really
Okay.
get this ready.
Oh wow, it's looking so yummy, Reena.
Yes, and it tastes absolutely yummy.
Okay.
Like I mentioned,
Yes, it's a very healthy recipe. Thank you so much. Definitely you should try.
And
So it's ready to serve, is it, Reena? It's ready, is it?
I think yes, you boil it for
तो
about.
अगर आपके पास और टाइम है तो आप उसको अच्छे से और भी बॉइलिंग पे ला सकते हैं.
Right.
और भी बॉईल कर सकते हैं. I think Reena is done. You are ready.
I'm just, this can
Yeah.
boil for a bit.
Okay.
And of course, with anything else, we put
ऊपर से
dhania.
धनिया, yes.
And this is essentially ready to go once you have it boiled and
Okay.
ready to serve. Like
Okay.
I said, you can
Very traditional dish है गोवन की. When Reena has got back her mother-in-law's recipe, she's learned from there. Yes, Reena, we'll serve it now. I'll switch off the gas.
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, see. So now we will serve this curry. ये देखिए. Wow, it's looking so. Yes, Mamta ji, you should definitely try this. You have seen it's a very easy recipe. बहुत easy है और बहुत जल्दी भी बनती है, right? It's hardly took time.
Tasty, healthy.
Healthy. But only thing you need sprouts, right? That's
Yes,
the only thing.
you
Pre-prep.
can-
Yes.
Pre-prep is just the sprouts, and once you boil it,
Uh-huh.
like I said, it's just very easy to assemble.
Okay, can you
And
show?
make very
Wow.
quickly.
Wow, this looks amazing.